My programs are structured in a way that it can suit and meet the requirements of multiple different professionals. So if in case you are a business owner, or if in case you are at a leadership position, you would want to learn digital marketing to make sure that you can manage and monitor your teams, you can do a digital strategy, or you can present the plans to your board with all the important information and the capabilities which are required and which can position you as an expert in the industry. So the strategy modules, the in-depth understanding about the platforms will help you with that. If in case you are a marketing professional, e-commerce manager, content creator, social media manager who wants to upskill and go to the next level with hands-on experience, during my sessions, we do the exercises, we do practical sessions. All my sessions will be demonstration basis. So how it works is I show step by step on my screen, and then we do it together as a group on your screen. So it does, you understand how the platform is, what to do, what are the steps, what are do's and do nots, and then we take an example of an industry. You can choose your own industry, you can choose your business. If you do not have a business as yet, I'm going to give you examples. You work on those campaigns on your own. I'm there to support you. You have other people around you who are working on the same or different examples. Together, we learn a lot. If in case you are a fresher, or you're a job seeker, you're starting your career in digital marketing, or you're a student, you definitely need to understand how things are done, because your first job definitely would require you to work on the projects, or if you move into the business development role in any marketing or digital marketing industry, you would be required to know each and every information and be able to sell, understand how these platforms work, convince your clients, and work with them with the strategy. So no matter at what stage you are, you might be a fresher, you might be absolute zero with marketing. After these 48 hours which you will spend with me, you will be an absolute different person with immense knowledge. Trust me on that. We have transformed thousands of people in the last 11 years who have moved careers within the first 3 to 6 months after taking this program. Check out my LinkedIn profile. There are over 150 testimonials, and I guarantee that once you take up the program, you would be the one writing a testimonial for INC Academy, for me and for my team, and you will love the way we take you from here to the next phase of your life. So whenever you're ready, get in touch with us, talk to my team. They are very supportive and they will guide you with the right program and the dates and the different modes which are available, and together we will make sure that you are able to achieve your career objectives. Thank you so much. I hope I get to see you soon one day, inshallah. Take care.